channel. Myself Atul Kadam. Today I am teaching you implementations of all logic gates by using NOR logic gate. Before going to the implementation, I am telling you the procedure of implementations. There are 3 steps procedure. Into that procedure, first step is write the logical equation of given logical equations of given given gate. Then convert that logical equation into the NOR form according to the laws of Boolean algebra. And the third step is design or draw the logical diagram according to that particular equations. Okay, let's start the implementations of uh, basic logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Into that we are seeing the first implementation of NOT logic gate, then we are going for AND logic gate, then we are going for OR logic gate. Okay, let's start the implementation of NOT logic gate. What is logical equation of NOT logic gate? Y is equal to a bar. Convert this logical equation into the NOR form. Then a plus a whole bar. A plus a is a. That's why that equation becomes y is equal to a bar. Implement the logical diagram for these equations. Okay. Make the short connections of NOT logic gate. Divide the single input into the 2 parts. Here is the A input. Divide into the 2 parts. A plus A is the A. That's why output is y is equal to A1. This is the implementations of NOT logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Okay. Next is implementations of AND logic gate. Okay. What is logical equation of AND logic gate? Y is equal to A into B. Convert this logical equation into the NOR form. Okay. According to the laws of Boolean algebra, y is equal to A into B double bar. Use the single bar into this equation, then equation becomes y is equal to a bar plus b bar whole of this bar. This is the equation. Now you can design the diagram for this particular equations. A bar according to this. Similarly, make the b bar also. Make the short connections of A. Make the short connections of A. Y is equal to a bar. Similarly, draw the for B also, B input also. And combine these by using final NOR logic gate. Then you are getting this final equation is A B. This equation y is equal to this equation A into B. Okay. Here is the y is equal to B bar. You are making the combining with the help of NOR gate. Then we are getting the implementations of AND logic gate by using NOR logic gate. And last implementation of OR logic gate. What is logical equation of OR logic gate? Y is equal to A plus B. This is the equations, logical equations of OR logic gate. Make the double complement of this, because according to the laws of Boolean algebra, A double bar is equal to A. That's why I am writing like equation this. This equation is also written by using this Boolean algebra laws. Y is equal to A plus B double bar. Then you are finally getting the original equations of OR logic gate. Draw the logical diagram for this particular gate. Means first use the first NOR gate and then make the short connections of that particular NOR gate. Then you are getting the original equations of OR logic gate, that is y is equal to a plus b. Okay. Draw the logical diagram for NOR logic gate first. Here is the A B input. Then make the short connections of this input. And finally you are getting the, here the output is y is equal to a plus b bar, and here you are getting y is equal to equation of original OR gate. This is the implementations of OR logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Next part is implementations of special purpose logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Into that implementation, we are seeing the first implementations of XOR logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Here I am writing the logical equations of XOR logic gate. Y is equal to A XOR B. Then in details, this equation of XOR logic gate is A bar into B plus A into B bar. Applying here double inversion law. Double inversion law for the conversion of this XOR logic gate into the NOR form. Okay. Here apply the double inversion law. A double bar is equal to A. Then again applying here De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem states that complement of any logic gate is equivalent to opposite of that logic gate. Complement is opposite of that particular logic gate. Okay. Applying complement inside the these equations, then you are getting equation this. Again applying De Morgan's theorem, you are getting like equation this. And finally, here is the that particular equations, but this is not particular equation of NOR because complement whole complement is not there. That's why I am applying again double inversion law, and then defining the number of NOR gates. Here is the first NOR gate A plus B bar, first NOR gate. Then second A bar plus B, second NOR gate. Okay, and third NOR gate for this complement, and last complement make the short connections of that particular NOR logic gate. Okay, I am writing same equation here for drawing the logical diagram. Now this is the time to design the logical diagram for this particular equations of XOR logic gate. Okay, first is A plus B bar, means A input is as it is. Then make the short connections of B input. Make the short connections of B input. B is the input. A input take as it is, and apply first NOR gate here. First NOR gate here. Here is the short connections. Here is the output A plus B bar, whole of this bar. Next NOR gate is for A bar plus B, means make the A short connections. Here is the A bar, here is the B bar, and the B input as it is. Apply second NOR gate here. Second NOR gate here. Then here you are getting the A bar plus B, whole of this bar. Then combine both these with the help of third NOR gate. Third NOR gate here. Then again making the short connections of this NOR logic gate. Okay, short connection. Then finally you are getting here output is y equal to A XOR B. This is the implementations of XOR logic gate by using NOR logic gate. Here is the third NAND. Next part is the implementations of XNOR logic gate by using NOR logic gate. What is logical equation of XNOR logic gate? A XOR B complement complement of whole. Okay. In details, this equation is y equal to A into B plus A bar into B bar. Apply here double inversion law, then equation becomes y equal to A into B plus A bar into B bar whole of this bar. This is the double inversion law. Apply De Morgan's theorem, first complement inside this equation, then conversion of multiplication into the additions, and vice versa. Okay. Then y is equal to, equation is A into B, here is the multiplications, A bar into B bar, whole of this bar. Again I have applied De Morgan's theorem, apply this complement inside these equations, then equation becomes here is the equation that A bar plus B bar dot A plus B. Apply this complement also inside, then you are getting the equation A bar plus B bar plus A plus B whole of complement. This is the equations. This is the equations, but not into the this form A plus B bar. Therefore, again apply here double inversion law. Then you are getting the equations A bar plus B bar plus A plus B bar. I am writing these equations here. Y is equal to, what is that equations? A bar plus B bar whole of this bar plus A plus B bar. Apply a double inversion law. This is that particular equations converted into the NOR form. Number of NOR gate defined here. First NOR gate. Here is the second NOR gate. Here is the third NOR gate, and make the short connections of this third NOR gate. Then you are getting the XOR logic gate into the NOR form. Let's time to draw the logical diagram of this XOR logic gate by using NOR. A plus B, A bar plus B bar, and first NOR gate is there. Let's make the connection A, short connections of A. Here is the A input. Here is you are getting the A bar. Next input is B input, B bar. Here is the B input. You are getting the output B bar. Combining this, both these output, then you are getting the first step of output is A bar plus B bar whole of this bar. I am applying here first NOR gate. The second NOR gate A plus B bar. You take the A input from here, B input as it is, then combine both these with the help of NOR gate. Then here you are getting the output here A plus B bar. Combine both these output with the help of third NOR gate. Third NOR gate. Here is the second, here is the third NOR gate, and make the short connections of these. Short connections of this. Then here you are getting the output Y is equal to A XOR B complement. This is the output of XNOR logic gate by using NOR logic gate. This is the logical diagram we have designed here. Okay. Also, you can implement the NAND logic gate by using NOR and vice versa. These implementations are used for designing various digital systems. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. यदि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और ये कंसेप्ट समझने के लिए आपको ये वीडियो अंत तक देखना जरूरी है।